Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Fusion here, and today we're gonna bring you another video, some other League gameplay, some with HD, guys. And I'm just gonna be leaving the link to the original video to give credit. I don't want to get my video taken down, and without that person, this video wouldn't be possible. So if you guys enjoyed this gameplay, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get right into the gameplay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the gameplay with the background music. I know I didn't want to talk in it, so you guys could hear the sound effects of the Electro Wizard. And let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of the new cards, the Electro Wizard and the Clone Spell. I think they look pretty cool, guys, in my opinion, guys. So if you guys haven't already, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you guys seem to enjoy the video, leave a like if you guys enjoyed. And it's been your boy Fusion, guys, and I'm out, guys. And as always, guys, keep on clashing, everybody. Peace.